What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're here again, provide another eagerly anticipated update.
Yeah guys, so you guys have been asking a lot of questions about this particular development that we covered a couple months ago. It's been a long time, to be honest, that we've covered this content.
Yeah.
And purchasers have been saying, what's up? Purchasers have also been saying, well, I'm trying to get information, but there's no information to get. There's no information being shared. So, I mean, we are about to tell you what we know.
So this community, guys, is called Oak Estate. It's a Chemtech development here in Portmore, right on the I-95. If you want to see exactly how to get to this development or where it will be, do refer to our previous video that we actually did a drive up to the property, that you could have actually seen the exact location, you know, or how to get to the property. We had mentioned that the development, we are literally on the side of the highway, and these huge vehicles are driving past and like jerk the vehicles. Every time a big vehicle drives past, you can see the camera, you know, shake with the camera.
Because of the speed of the vehicles as well.
Which kind of add some dynamics to the video. So. Yeah, the development will have around 2,500 units. All right, 5 clusters. All right. Yeah, so approximately 500 units per cluster. They'll have amenities such as swimming pool, clubhouse, and others. We assume we don't get the full information just yet. Stay tuned. As soon as they announce same, we will provide you, you know?
Yes.
So the development is in construction right now. Yeah. Quite a number of units look, you know, close to completion. The model units are pretty much completed as well, but they are, you know, based on our understanding, they are delaying the viewing of the model units till at least they get a large amount or number of units completed, you know? Basically, that's the situation right now. They basically want when they announce the development that you basically come in with all your documents, your pre-qualification letter, your deposit, everything ready to sign for a unit. You know, they don't want, based on what we're seeing, for it to be a protracted process. You know, you paying a deposit and then waiting a year or more to get possession of your unit. You know, that's basically what they're trying to avoid, you know, we would think, you know.
So basically, it is a totally different approach from the typical approach that most developers use. Normally, they would have a unit or two available for you to look at and to see the potential of the property or of the development, and then they would ask persons who are interested to come in and to state their interest and to sometimes, you know, get the process going. So from the last video that we made, we have not gotten much additional information. So what we said still stands according to what we currently know. So there will be 2-bedroom units, 3-bedroom units, and townhouses. And you'd also have the unit being enclosed. And that was one of the unique features that we particularly liked about what we heard at that time, that each cluster or each phase would have been enclosed and gated. So that would increase the security and the privacy aspect for that particular phase. We also speculated that from what was being proposed, there would be a price point. It would be at a price point of about starting at approximately 24 million.
Yeah, about, yeah.
Going up to the 30 million for the 3-bedroom units.
Yes.
So that is still what the information that we have. So the name for the community will be Oak Estate. And yeah, like, tell us in the comment section, what do you think about a few things? So what do you think about a community like this with the enclosures? Are it being gated for each phase or for each cluster? What do you think about that? Is that a good thing? Is that a plus for you, or is it just okay? Also, let us know in the comment section, what do you think about this approach by the developer to just kind of keep everything kind of hush-hush until, you know, they're ready to to, tell y'all everything about it. Also, let us know your opinion about having this community in this particular location. What do you think? Is it ideal? Is it not? Where would you think is ideal for a community like this to be located? This community is proposed to have a pool,
clubhouse.
Pool clubhouse.
Yeah, but the exact details we are not quite sure at the moment,
Yeah. You can definitely see that there has been a lot of work going on, and you can see as well.
Yes.
They got here a little sneak peek. So the entrance right here is very obvious because before it was basically concealed and looked like just a pure bush.
Yeah.
Right? So now we're seeing established entrance with a bridge being created with a drainage system, which I think is one of the most key aspects of a development, ensuring that you have proper drainage,
right?
And that was done from early out. And then we see that the particular phase that they're working on is already gated. Should I say gated? It's already walled. So the walls are up around the community, and they are building the different units out. So yeah, I mean, we're all waiting here with bated breath. What y'all waiting for, Chemtech? Give us the information. Come on, come on.
A lot of persons out there, they are really desperate to actually get their hands on one of these units. All right, so
desperate is a good word.
Yeah, man, a good word. Yeah, man, of course, desperation. They're for them units here, you know.
The market is in dire need of communities and homes
solutions.
Housing solutions, and especially ones that are gated and that is full of promise and is in a good location. So yes, there is definitely a demand for these type of developments.
Right, there's a 2-bed, 2-bath, 3-bed, 2-bath.
You said that earlier.
Yeah. All right. Also, townhouses. Still, the details about the townhouses are, we don't have much, but just know that they are offering townhouses as well.
Yeah. This property, if you didn't see our previous video, go ahead and check that out. So this property is located on I-95. That's not the proper name for that road, by the way. That's just the name that people in Portmore use. People in Portmore love to give places different names and jargons, all right? Like 20 root and them something.
Because
right?
you know why? You know why we do that? Because before the road them even get the proper names, we had to give it name something.
Okay.
Because for example, George Lee Boulevard or whoever, Portmore, they were before him.
Oh.
You understand? And they end up calling it that. Brayton Parkway. That name came about long after
the road was actually established.
Yes, so we call it 20 road because literally the 20 bus, the JTC 20 bus, those drive on that road, so the people call it 20 road.
And well, one of the other things too is that there's not a lot of road signs that can tell you like the name of the particular road.
Yes.
So if like nowadays we have Google Maps.
Yeah.
Which the names will be put on Google Maps, but there's no street signs for us to know. So
this one is Municipal Boulevard. Mind you, Portmore has never always been a municipality. Before that, I-95. It really never had that was the name before I-95. So people from original Portmore people would call the places based on the original names. Even in Greater Portmore, them give them the fancy name Aintree and all of that, but really and truly we call them 7 East, 6 West, and 5 East, so on. That's just. That was the name before the name was given, another name was given. But the funny thing is though, we kind of now. But I saw a title for a Greater Portmore house recently, and the sector name on it, like say Aintree or Sundown or whatever, it's actually on the title. But persons never really used to use those names till only recently. Them used to stick with the 2 West and the 3 West and the 3 East and all of that. you know, but actually saw a title. So it kind of contradicting what I'm saying. So, yeah, the road name, them kind of new, but the sectors in Greater Portmore specifically, apparently the names were as they were from inception, you know?
Oh, yeah. Okay. But then I guess it wasn't established because when you really look at the street sign, sometimes you see some NW, you know what I mean?
West, yeah.
See, so anyways.
Portmore confusing.
Portmore is just a bit different.
Yeah.
And persons like me who weren't born and raised in Portmore, we came over here like, you know? But after a while they get it. Yep. You know, you fall in line.
So basically that's what we have right now. Remember, get yourself ready. You know, get your pre-approval letter from your bank. Get what else you need to get. Your deposit ready. Yeah,
get your deposit ready. Get your pre-approval letters. Get your paperwork. You can also talk to your mortgage advisors at the bank, and they'll definitely tell you or give you a good idea of what to expect. But let me just put you on your guards, like. Sometimes, like for this unit, it's going to be like a big rat race when this information finally becomes public. But there are other developments that are going on also. And sometimes we miss out because we are not ready for it.
Yeah.
You see, one time ago, because they get ready with that, because we could have hurry up and go get the papers them. But nowadays, because the demand is so high and persons are listening to platforms like ours and are getting their pre-approval already, getting ready by the time you must sit and say, wonder if we can go at NHT tomorrow. People been to NHT 6 months and a year ago.
Yep.
And they have their letters ready to literally walk into the offices and say, this is my paperwork, this is my money. And that is it. Them just need to walk in, my paperwork, my money. Name already depend a lot. While you have to go wait 1 week, 1 month to sort out your stuff for come back. Everything's set off.
True.
So get yourself ready because this is not the only unit coming to Portmore. This is not the only development going on in Jamaica. Like there's so much going on, and we at the Delpart family, when we get the info, you know, we are gonna bring it to you.
Yeah, man, most definitely. Yeah, so I guess this is it. You know, another interesting update.
Yeah.
All right. We know persons close to us as well who are eagerly anticipating word about this development. So as we get information, we share it with y'all. You know. So thanks for watching as always, guys. Do ensure that the notification bell is on all, because we realize a lot of time people asking us, when is the next video being uploaded? We're not soon for a while. It's weird.
Yes,
I don't know what's going on with YouTube, but just ensure you guys enable the notification bell. Put in settings on all, so every time we post an upload, you get notified first. Especially an upload like this that is eagerly anticipated. Ensure so you get the information that you don't miss out. And
sometimes too with YouTube, even though you would have done that before, sometimes that setting just gone.
Just double check it, guys.
So you cannot double check it, because sometimes when you haven't seen a particular channel for a long time, it's not that they're in posting, it's that you're not getting notified.
Yeah. So just toggle it, turn it off, turn it on again. The notification bell. Ensure it's on all. Just double check that so you get the notification. Alright guys, so thanks for watching as always. Alright, peace.